Amazon's Assistant has so many great features, but not these. You're better off without these. Here are 5 features for your Echo product that you should turn off right now. Now, these features aren't going to murder you or anything, probably, but turning them off will give privacy-minded folk a little bit more peace of mind and just generally make using your Amazon Echo product a little bit smoother. Number 1, drop-ins.
Hey, Andrew, did you get that memo I sent on the business item?
Hey, Megan, let me get back to you. Not a great time? So anyway, drop-ins can be...
Andrew, can you send me the notes on the cross-collaboration synergy jargon?
Hey, Molly, shooting a video. Let me get back to you another time. Drop-ins can be annoying. There, I got the sentence out. And yeah, those were pre-recorded. Hard to coordinate the exact right time when we're not allowed to be in the same place. Anyway, you get the point. Drop-ins can be a neat way to stay in touch, but once enabled, someone could just start talking through your Echo speaker. You don't even have to accept the call. You can change this feature by going to the Devices tab in the Amazon Alexa app. And yeah, we're muting that word so we don't wake your smart speakers. Then pick the device you want, go to Communications, scroll down, and you'll find drop-ins. There you can turn off the feature entirely or change who has permission to drop in. Number 2, Hunches. Speaking of interruptions, yeah, I'm not going to do the same bit again. Hunches let Amazon's Assistant initiate the conversation. They're generally for the smart home. So if you left your door unlocked or your lights on and you're about to go to bed, your Amazon Echo Dot might be able to let you know. You can get things started by saying, do you have any hunches? And it will search for anything in an unusual state. Or if you give a command like good night, the Echo Dot might say, but your light's still on. Now, hunches can be useful if you want that give and take. Maybe you long for any kind of interaction you can get, like me and my cat, for instance. This is not me, though. The walls of my 1-bedroom apartment are not closing in. I don't talk to my cat all the time. Hello. But the extra interaction with the dot would startle me more than anything, and in a place my size, I'd notice if I left something on. To turn off Hunches, click the icon in the upper left, then Settings, then scroll down to Hunches, or you can just say, turn off Hunches. Job well done. Number 3, data gathering. Here's a big one if you're a privacy-minded person. By default, Amazon can save and use your voice recordings for research purposes. If you don't like this, you can turn it off and or limit how long recordings are saved. Head to that same icon in Settings again. This time, hit Alexa Privacy and manage your Alexa data. Scroll down and you can toggle off the use of your voice recordings. In the same menu, you can actually set your voice recordings to delete after a certain period of time. Number 4, skill permissions. While we're here, let's go back one and take a look at skill permissions. Skills are basically third-party apps for your smart speaker or smart display, games, learning tools, smart home stuff that can all be done with skills. And skills might have access to a lot of info, your home address, payment info, location services. So while you're here, take a quick audit of these menus and see if any skills have access to info you don't want to share. And number 5, the camera. The last one's really simple. If you have a smart display with a camera, shutter it when you're not using it. The original Echo Show doesn't have a physical shutter, but there's still a button to disable the camera. Hacking webcams is a notorious method of spying on people, so better safe than sorry. And really, with all of this, less is more, discretion is the better part of, etc., etc. Turn off these features, your Amazon Echo is going to be that much better. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to CNET's YouTube channel for more, such as the features you should turn off for Google Assistant. And yes, I get that the obvious solution, if you're really worried about privacy, is to pitch this thing to the curb or don't buy it in the first place. But it's a good device. Just because you're privacy-minded doesn't mean you can't have nice things. Don't throw out the baby with the bathwater. I may have lost the metaphor there. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna shutter this camera now.